Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi K40 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how you can change wallpaper on this smartphone. So you have to click and hold your home screen just like that, and tap on the wallpaper in the left bottom corner. As you can see, here we got few wallpapers. I'm going to change for pre-installed, and for example I'm going to pick this one. So click on it, tap apply, and as you can see you can change wallpaper for lock screen, home screen, or both of them. Let's change only for the home screen. When we go back, as you can see, our wallpaper has changed. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.